let's talk about product development. We have this project in Austin, our Chuckstone project, we call it, where we have some pretty unique doors that were designed by the interior design team that we have to develop together with them. So Sergio started doing the basically preliminary mock-ups in HDF, which is high density fiberboard. To be able to just get the proportions and the dimensions accurately, we went through a couple of changes for some of the doors. And basically, once the HDF mock-up was done and we saw that it's approved by the designer, we moved into doing the same profiles in the solid oak that the doors are going to end up being. So these are some vanity drawers and some very beautiful sliding doors that will conceal the washer and dryer in the laundry room. So once these doors are basically done, we're going to have a meeting with the designer next week to approve the finished product, to approve the final on white oak, and then we can go in production. But just to show you and to give you an idea of how much this took, it took almost 2 days between drawing, cutting the first pieces, seeing that proportions weren't really working, recutting, readjusting drawings. And then when we moved to solid wood, we had the issue of the pieces being too small and basically not being able to stay properly on the CNC table because there wasn't enough basically surface for the suction pump to work properly. So we had some little hiccups along the way, but they turned out really great. And another one of the door models are these with integrated handles. So they're going to be flat panel doors with integrated handles in the same material. So this is going to look absolutely fantastic once it's installed, and it's expected to be completed installing sometime in June. So stay tuned.
So we're not just making cabinetry, we're developing processes for manufacturing custom cabinetry.